Nada's adventure with the sounds of the letter F. On a sunny morning, Nada decided to go on a new adventure with her friends Ronnie the rabbit and Rocky the dog. She said to them, "Nada, today we will explore the different sounds of the letter F in English. Are you ready?" Ronnie and Rocky. Absolutely ready. As they were walking in the park, Rocky pointed to a sign with the word fish written on it. Nada said, "Nada. This word means fish." Here, the letter F is pronounced clearly, like a soft puff of air. Let's repeat it together. Ronnie. Fish. Rocky. Like the word fun, which means fun. Nada. Great. This is the normal, clear F sound. The friends continued their adventure until they found a paper with the word cliff written on it. Nada asked, "Nada, do you know what this word means?" Ronnie. Yes, it means a rocky cliff. Nada. Exactly. Notice that the letter F is doubled here. When it's doubled, we pronounce it more strongly. Let's try it together. Rocky. Cliff. Ronnie. And also like the word puff, which means a puff of air. Nada. Excellent. The double sound makes the letter stronger. As they were walking by a river, Rocky pointed to the word fifth engraved on a stone. He said, "Rocky, this is a new word for me." Nada. It means fifth. Notice that the second F is silent or very soft. Ronnie. Fifth? It seems to disappear at the end. Nada. That's right. This happens to make the word easier to pronounce. The friends arrived at a library and found a book with the word chef on it. Nada said, "Nada. This is a French word that means a cook." The F sound here is very soft, like a whisper. Ronnie. Chef. It's a beautiful and light sound. Rocky. And also like the word finesse, which means elegance. Nada. Exactly. Words of French origin often have a soft F sound. As they passed by a toy store, they saw a toy with the word FAQ written on it. Nada asked, "Nada, do you know what this word means?" Ronnie. No. What does it mean? Nada. It's an abbreviation for frequently asked questions. Here, the F is pronounced clearly because it's at the beginning of the word. Rocky. FAQ. It's easy and straightforward to pronounce. Nada. Exactly. This shows how context can change the way we pronounce letters. While exploring the park, they found the word half written on a sign. Nada said, "Nada. This word means half." In some accents, the F sound here changes to a soft V sound. Ronnie. Half? I didn't know that. Nada. Yes. This shows how accents affect the pronunciation of letters. Rocky. That makes the language even more exciting. Finally, they came across the word forum on a large board. Nada said, "Nada. This word is of Latin origin and means forum." The F sound here is very clear. Ronnie. Like the word fact, which means fact. Rocky. And also like the word fiction, which means fiction. Nada. Excellent. Words of Latin origin have a stable and clear pronunciation. Nada and her friends returned home while gathering the words they had learned. Nada said, "Nada. Today, we learned 7 different sounds of the letter F. The clear sound, the double sound, the silent sound, the soft sound in French words, the clear sound in Latin words, the changing sound in accents, and the sound of F in abbreviations." Ronnie. It was a fun and informative day. Rocky. I can't wait to explore the sounds of other letters. Nada. Our adventure with language